Hey guys, so we're gonna be doing like a vlog style wash day routine. This is what my hair currently looks like. This is my old twist out. I don't even know how many days it is, but this twist out looks still, I mean, okay, it looks frizzy because I didn't wear it out today, but it feels amazing. If it wasn't for it being Sunday and it's my technical wash day, I wouldn't even really wash my hair because it feels so good. It feels really soft. So today we're going to be doing a one brand wash and go. So we're going to be using all SheaMoisture products today. SheaMoisture, Manuka Honey, and Marfura Oil Shampoo, which is my first time using. We're also going to be using the SheaMoisture, Manuka Honey, and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Powder Treatment. I don't necessarily need protein right now, but why not? I just feel like trying it. So this is what it looks like. It's really thick. And we're going to attempt a wash and go today. So we're going to be using the Manuka Honey Hair Milk that I used for this twist out. And we're going to use the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey Max Hold Gel, which hasn't been opened yet. This will be the first time me using it. It's really runny. So we're going to see how that stuff works. So this will be a one brand wash and go. And if you are not aware, I am on a no comb, no brush hair challenge. So I will be detangling in the shower without combs and brushes. So okay, so now we're in the shower, and because I'm low porosity, I have to make sure my hair is thoroughly wet. And so right here, I'm like making sure my hair is really wet and lightly detangling, separating my hair, all of that. And then we're going to move on to the shampoo. Like I said before, this is my first time using the SheaMoisture Manuka and Honey shampoo. And as you see, it lathers very quickly. It smells really good. My overall review of this is that my scalp felt really moisturized and clean. So I definitely like the shampoo. While the shampoo was in my hair, I put my SheaMoisture conditioner onto the length of my hair. I find this to be a lot easier to detangle and get rid of shed hair while the shampoo is on. And I kind of like doing this because the shampoo won't like necessarily strip the strands of my hair. So it's like a 2-in-1 speed this process. And now I'm like finger detangling. Like I said, I'm on a no comb and no brush challenge. So this SheaMoisture conditioner gives me the most slip ever. So that's what I like to do here. Now on to the SheaMoisture Yogurt Protein Powder Conditioner. As you see, it's super thick. It's like really thick. And I made sure that my hair was really wet before applying this because I wanted the product to kind of really soak into my hair because it's so thick. So that's what I'm making sure I do here. It felt amazing. It was just like soaking into my hair so well. Right here, I'm showing you how much I used. I actually didn't use a lot, which is great. And the definition, as you're about to see, is amazing. I didn't even wash it out yet. But let's say a quick little prayer, because, you know, it could happen. But when I washed it out using the praying hands method, my hair felt really strong. It had like a bounce back, as you're about to see in a second. It was really shiny. It had elasticity to it. As I pulled it, it instantly bounced back. Like it felt and looked good. Like look at that. Look at that hair. Shampooed and conditioned hair. I am liking it. The back is getting more and more loose. I don't want to keep the shampoo. It smells really good. It was really hydrating. It's provided moisture. It says it has vitamin C to protect, keep hair looking vibrant. Like, I actually really like the feel of this shampoo, and I was in need of a new shampoo. Now the protein powder treatment. This was awesome. My hair feels a lot stronger. Has like a bounce to it. It's losing water right now, but I like it. And I thought this was really small at first. This is only 8 ounces, but I barely touched it as I showed you the shower. Like, I thought I would use a lot of it, but no. So now we're gonna go ahead, put on my leave-in milk, and we're gonna try out the Hydrate and Design Max Hold Gel. Take off the flap. We're gonna keep this in case I want to return it. You did? So I haven't really found my successful wash and go yet. So spray bottle full of warm water. Let me drench my hair like soaking wet. Ever so thick leave-in milk. Pry your hands to kind of detangle and distribute the product. The Max Hold Gel is very runny. Roll the roots. Ooh, wow, this is very liquidy. Very liquidy. I don't know how I feel about this consistency, but I think I'm used to a very thick gel. So this is kind of like throwing me off. So this side has always been wavy. It's never had much definition. Like, at all. This is my second time going natural. First time the same way. See, like right here, as soon as I apply the gel, it's like tangled. Oh, why do I feel like I'm gonna be washing this out tomorrow? So this is the look before I'm gonna air dry and probably go underneath the dryer for a little bit. Underneath the dryer, and this is the front of my hair. It barely is moving. It is flaking up. Oof, it feels sticky. Some of it's not dry yet. Well, it's actually, my roots aren't dry yet because I'm a little frosty. But this is very sticky and hard and dry. I hate it. Oh my god, I hate it. It's like lacking shine. I'm going to have to use some oil to kind of break this cast. So we're going to use some almond oil and drench my hair in oil to try to break the gel cast. Oh, get rid of some stickiness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, it feels disgusting. This was obviously a fail. Oh, I hate it. I don't like it. Look at that. It's just flakes. Oh my goodness. I can't. I don't even. Oh my god. Can you see? Flakes have multiplied. If you ever had the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment, this is how my hair feels. It feels really hard. I'm afraid to touch it because I feel my hair is gonna break off. It needs water ASAP. I'm gonna attempt to try some other products to do a quick wash and go because I have to go to work. So I'm not gonna film it, but I'm gonna show you my end results. My second attempt to wash and go. Ooh, ignore my face too. I am trying out a new concealer. I think it's actually really nice. My roots is still a little wet. I have low porosity hair, so I knew it wasn't gonna dry in time for me to go to work. But I think this came out really nice. It's kind of shiny. This is my frizzy area, so whatever I do, twist out, braid out, wash and goes, it's always frizzy on this side. But this looks and feels a lot better than the SheaMoisture gel. It's already in a bag, ready to be returned to Target. So, oh, my hair has no shape. As you can see, like the back of my hair is different. So I know this video was weird. I used one set of products and I used another, but I hope this was a good video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And again, if you want to know the details of this wash and go, then let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, I'll catch you next one. Bye.